For set D, remember to read the problem carefully and be sure you answer the right question, that your answer makes sense. Anna participated in a charity walk. She raised 25 cents for each half a mile that she walked the first day. Anna walked 11 miles. On the second day, she worked 14 miles. How much money did Anna raise? So she walked on the first day, she walked 11 miles, and she raised 25 cents for each half mile. So first of all, we need to figure out how many half miles. 11 divided in half equals 22 half miles. And then we're going to take, that's our first step. Our second step, 22 half miles times 25 cents. So we're going to multiply 22 times 25. And we're going to get $5.50 because I know 20 times 25 is $5. And so that is for the first day. And then for the second day, she walked 14 miles. So 14 divided by a half is 28. And 28 times 25 cents equals, again, you can use solve a simpler problem because you know how many quarters are in a dollar. So we know that 20 would be $5, 8 would be another $2, so that'll be $7 altogether. And then our last step would be to combine $5.50 plus 7 is $12.50 altogether. So we've got a lot of work to do there. For number 2, so this would be number 1, and this would be number 2. Mr. Holmes used 4/5 of a carton of orange juice. He used equal amounts of the leftover juice for 2 servings. So what fraction of the whole carton of juice did he use for each serving? So he used 4/5 of a carton of juice. So here's my carton of juice minus 4/5. So he has 1/5 left over. And he had 1/5 divided into 2 equal servings. Keep the first, change the sign, flip the second. So he has 1/10 of the juice box for each serving. And that was all we had to do, but let's take a look down here at the set E. How many quarter-foot pieces can she cut from one piece of ribbon? She has 2 6-foot pieces of ribbon. So we're going to do 6 divided by 1/4, which is the same as saying 6 times 4/1, which is 24. And I know that because I can multiply my denominator times my whole number when it's a unit fraction. How many half-foot pieces can be cut from the 6-foot ribbon? So if we have 6 divided by a half, it would be like saying 6 times 2 equals 12. And again, the same reasoning. I know that dividing 6 by a unit fraction is the same as multiplying 6 by the denominator of the unit fraction. There's your review.